Hi everybody. I just wanted to do a quick video of a medical ventilator system that I've been working on here. It's not quite done, but wanted to put something out there just to show the concept of what I'm trying to do. One of the design criteria for this ventilator is that I wanted it to be a true breathing assistance, breathing apparatus. So that means it provides pressure on one side and a vacuum on the other side. So the pressure helps you inhale, the vacuum helps you exhale. For a mask, I'm using a NIOSH particulate mask. And this does a good job of sealing around your face. And it also has, I don't know if you can see that or not, has a little valves basically on the inside there. So obviously I'm providing pressure on this side and vacuum coming out here. To control the whole thing, I'm using an Arduino Uno, and the coding for this is actually pretty simple, and I'll be putting that in some other details later on here. I'm controlling the airflow through these valves. To supply air to the system, I'm just using regular shop air. So I've got my shop hooked up here. Air compressor is outside of my lab here. It's a pretty big air compressor. Supplies a lot of CFM, and I am using this is a water separator. It's not exactly a filter, but I think it does serves both purposes for what I'm trying to do here. For the vacuum, I'm using a Venturi vacuum pump. This little device here operates by supplying pressure in one side, which I'm doing through this regulator right here. And I don't know if you can quite see that, 125, 130 psi of pressure. And then it creates a vacuum then on this side here. So I'm pulling air out, back through the vacuum. The more pressure I supply here, the more vacuum I can create here. To control the breathing rate, I'm actually using a dial here. This is a 50 ohm trim pot. It's a single turn, so all the way to the left would be 1 second. So you basically have 1 second to breathe in, 1 second to breathe out. All the way to the right is 5 seconds. So 5 seconds to breathe in, 5 seconds to breathe out. Okay, now let me plug this in and you can see how it operates. So the first thing I do is plug in the Arduino. That'll get the program running there. And then I'll plug in the valves. So there's pressure to breathe in, vacuum to exhale to breathe out. Back over here, the pressure to breathe in, vacuum to breathe out. And this rate can be changed, like I said before, by this dial. So I'll turn this as fast as it can go. So thanks for watching this demonstration. Hope this gives some of you some ideas on how to do this yourself if you wanted to. And I definitely am looking for feedback and comments on how I can improve this myself too. I've got some ideas of what I'm going to do next, but again, this is just the first revision of it, and I'm going to keep working on it and making improvements. Thanks everybody. Take care.